Okay guys, so we are through. It was a bit of a hassle because of all my camera stuff. I really feel like my dad right now. He used to travel the world. I'm actually wearing his shoes. We're going to Kruger, going more on safari.
We are going to the other side of South Africa. It's 2 hours of flying and 6 hours in the car. The scenery is going to totally change.
Bought this new lens. We're gonna make some awesome photos, some awesome videos. I'm so excited about this. Just smile at the camera. Yeah. We're gonna shoot some amazing stuff.
I already want to give a big shout out to my guy Justin. Justin is one of the funniest guys I have ever met. And if he's ever going to start for his own, I think he should just call his company Funny Safaris. Because he's so goddamn funny. You're gonna see in the upcoming vlogs.
It's just rude,
Behind
right?
it, yeah.
These damn animals don't do what you want them to do. She's gonna keep moving.
Yeah.
One of the closest relatives to a hippo is...
No.
It's a whale.
Yeah. So how did that happen?
So that means that somewhere, millions of years ago, the ancestors of the hippo decided that I'm gonna go onto land, but I still need water, whereas another one branched off and decided, no, I'm gonna stay in water. You look at them and you go,
yeah.
Throw yourself with the heat is out.
And there was just like some sort of pig. It's not a pig. Walking here. Look. So here we are guys, eating a burger, looking at this beautiful river, being at this beautiful lodge, looking at the animals. It's crazy. It's insane. It's just man, oh man. I don't have any words for it, really. Look at this view, man. Look at that river. We've got ourselves a vegetarian nice hamburger. Life can't get any better. Sorry to make you jealous. I don't want to make you jealous. I want you to enjoy these memories with me. Cheers.
That same night, Kyla took me on a game drive. Kyla is one of the cutest girls I've ever met. And a thing that I learned pretty fast is that I can get really cold when the sun has set.
Okay guys, so it's insane. I'm like high on life right now. It's like I transported into another body or something. It's like I transported into another human being who lives in South Africa but still experiences everything for the first time. If that makes any sense. It totally doesn't, but see you tomorrow. Good night.